First, set up the Iridium Go device by inserting the SIM card. Remove the battery with a flathead screwdriver or a coin. Slide the SIM card holder toward the hinges and lift to open. Insert the SIM card into the slot. Close the card holder and slide it away from the hinges to lock it. Then install the battery. Make sure the gold battery contacts are facing down over the 4 connector contacts. Replace the battery cover. Next, charge the unit. To do this, open the USB cover and firmly plug in the USB cable. Then connect the supplied USB cable to the USB outlet on your boat. If no USB outlet is available, temporarily use the car charger. We recommend leaving the unit permanently on charge. Next, plug in the external antenna by carefully but firmly pushing the connector to click in the adapter. The small coaxial cable should not be bent sharply, as it will damage the cable and affect the signal strength. Then turn the device on by raising the swivel antenna into the upright position. Make sure the external antenna has a clear sight of the open sky and horizon. Once raised, the device will automatically complete the power-up sequence in approximately 1 minute and will begin registration with the Iridium network. Once registered, the LED light will turn green and the signal strength icon will appear on the screen. If the SIM card has not been activated, no signal strength will be shown. Refer to the PredictWind Iridium setup instructions below to activate your SIM card. If you have 2 SIM cards ordered, please check you have the correct SIM card. The external antenna needs full visibility of the horizon for optimal signal strength. Without full signal strength, the data rate will drop dramatically. Next, set up your smartphone for use with the Iridium Go. Download the free Iridium Go app from the App Store or Google Play. The Iridium Go app enables voice calling, SMS, and SOS functionality. Pair the Iridium Go with your smartphone or tablet. Go to the Wi-Fi setting and ensure your Wi-Fi function is enabled. With the Iridium Go device on, select the Iridium Go Wi-Fi network and connect. An example of a typical name for a Wi-Fi network is Iridium 6088CC. It is important to always confirm you are connected to your Iridium Go Wi-Fi network prior to using the Iridium Go app. Also ensure all devices have Bluetooth capability turned off to avoid networking connectivity issues. Now you need to configure the Iridium app. To begin, open the app, then enter the username and password for the app. They are both guest and guest, all lowercase. Then press Submit. Up to 5 devices can be wirelessly connected to the Iridium Go at one time, but only allowing one user to make calls or access data at one time. To avoid conflict between devices, we recommend only having one device connected at a time. To make outbound calls. To make a call, click on the call icon, then enter the full dialing sequence, 00 or plus, country code, then phone number, using the country flag drop-down if required, or select a contact. Press the green key to initiate the call and press the red key to end the call. When messaging in the Iridium Go app, enter the international dialing sequence of the independent recipient, plus, country code, then phone number. Then click in the message field and type your message. SMS messages are limited to 1,000 characters. Then press Send. Inbound calls. For friends and family wanting to contact you on the boat, they can call or SMS your Iridium Go by dialing plus, then the Iridium Go number. This is an international call and will be billed to the caller at their long-distance rate by their telephone service provider. Free SMS messages of up to 160 characters can be sent to your Iridium phone number from messaging.iridium.com. Alternatively, people can text from their mobile phone at the international text rate. Existing contacts that are stored in your smartphone must be updated to the full international dialing sequence in order to connect calls. 00 or plus, country code, then phone number.